If you're tired of getting sick every winter, make this kid-friendly immune-boosting cough syrup. All you really need is natural honey and crushed garlic, but I like to add lemon and ginger to increase antiviral defense. Just put all ingredients into one jar, wait 12 hours, and then it's ready to use. I take this anytime I feel a tickle in my throat, but if I messed around and ended up not taking it and caught a cold anyway, then I'll take a teaspoon to suppress my cough and soothe my sore throat. Smokers can also take this to suppress a cough they may have. Oh, and one more thing. Only consume this if you are older than 1 year old because honey is too strong for a baby's immune system. Stay healthy.